Pag virtual assistant ba, administrative work lang, ibig sabihin, taga-email, calendar, taga-post? Hi, I'm Mary and I teach people how to start working from home. Guys, bukod sa general virtual assistants, merong mga roles na mas niche-based, higher paying, at hindi pa ganon kasaturated. One of them is construction virtual assistants. As a construction virtual assistant, you help US restoration companies create insurance-ready estimates using Sactimate. Si Sactimate, ginagamit siya sa water damage, repairs, and home restorations. Hindi mo kailangan ng construction background, but it definitely helps if ikaw ay may background sa construction, architect, engineering. But of course, kahit walang experience, kaya namang pag-aralan to. Kailangan mo lang talaga ng tamang training, systems, and practice. That is why we created this construction VA class wherein for only 999 pesos kasama na yung internship at matututunan mo how Sactimate works, the difference between EMS and reconstruction, estimating basics, and all the documentations clients need. Mas konti ang competition, mas mataas ang bayad, at mas long-term ang clients. So if you feel na medyo nauumay ka na or napapagod ka na sa general VA tasks, maybe it's time to level up. To join our construction VA class, all you have to do is click the link in my bio or mag-comment kayo dyan ng construction VA and we'll go ahead and send you over the link. Girl, 999 pesos lang to, kasama na yung internship. Tuturuan pa namin kayo kung paano maghanap ng clients. Kaya huwag ka na magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!